Hello and welcome. This is the Gshock GMA-P2100 and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on this watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. So let's go. And there it is. The watch will move the hands out of the way so we can have better access to our digital screen over here. First in a row of settings is setting our home city or our time zone. Currently it's flashing Tokyo over here, but you can shuffle it by pressing the upper right button or lower right button. My time zone is Paris time zone, so I'm going to press one of those two buttons until I get it to Paris time zone, and there it is. Now, once I've found my time zone, I'm going to press the mode button, and now I'm setting my daylight saving time mode. It's flashing over here beneath the DST, and it says it's off. You can shuffle it by pressing this button over here. So between on or off, you're shuffling your DST setting. I'm gonna leave it at on. Next up, I'm going to press the mode button again, and now I'm setting my time format. Is it going to be in 12-hour time format or 24-hour time format? Shuffling is also done by pressing this button over here. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. Press the mode button again, and now we are setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset them to 0 simply by pressing the lower right button. Once we have set our seconds value, I'm going to press the mode button again, and now I'm setting my hour value. Number 21 is flashing, but I can shuffle it by pressing the upper right button or lower right button. I'm gonna leave it at 21. Next up, press the mode button again, and I'm shuffling or changing my minutes value, as you can see, which are flashing over here. To decrease it, press the upper right one, or increase it, press the lower right button. Next up, once I'm done with my minutes, I'm going to press the mode button over here, and I'm setting my year value. Over here, we can see that 2025 is flashing, but I can change it by pressing the upper or lower right button until I get it to correct year value. Next up, I'm going to press the mode button, and we move on to setting our month value. Number 8 corresponds to month of August, and it is correct, but you can decrease it or increase it by pressing the lower right button. I'm gonna leave it at month of August. Next up, press the mode button, and we move on to setting our day value. Pressing the upper right button decreases, or lower right button increases the value of your day. Next up, press the mode button again, and now I'm in the position of setting my operation tool. Is it going to be enabled when it says key, or muted when I press the lower right button? So with that, you're muting or unmuting your watch. Once I set my button operation tone, I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now I'm setting my illumination duration. What it is? Well, when I press the light button, currently, when it's flashing number 1, it means that my screen will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. But when I press the lower right button and shuffle it to 3, it indicates that my screen will stay lit on for 3 seconds. So with that, you're shuffling your illumination duration. I'm gonna leave it at 1. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to press the mode button, and I'm back at the beginning and setting my time zone, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date and other functions on this watch. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button, And the watch has now implemented all of those settings, and our time, analog time, corresponds to our digital time over here. If that is not the case, you can check out the other video on my channel on how to align your watch hands properly on this watch. Other than that, that would be a tutorial video on how to set the time and date on this Gshock GMA-P2100. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.